Kung patay na isang tao, barzakh. Wala pa akhirah. Barzakh is wall, barrier, arang. So dito yung dunya and yung kabilang buhay, yung kaluluwa dito sa kabila, sa kay Ilion or si Jin. Tapos may barzakh. Hindi ko alam ano yung tawag ng mga Christian or ano rin paniniwala, but hindi parehos tayo kay Christian. Yung mga Christian, sabi nila, babalik yung kaluluwa dito sa lupa, tapos bigay sa pari yung pera para balik sa purgatorio. Hindi ganun sa Islam. Hindi yung balik-balik, hindi makulit yung kaluluwa, balik dito, balik doon, hindi ganun. One way lang. Hindi babalik dito sa lupa yung kaluluwa. Yung sabi ng mga Christian na babalik lupa, tapos bibigyan mo pera sa pari para balik sa purgatorio. Hindi ganun sa Islam. Okay? Our soul is here, not coming back anymore. Hindi babalik sa mundo. Hindi babalik sa mundo yung kaluluwa natin. Kung patay na tao, hindi babalik. Hanggang sa araw ng paghukom. Kailan na babalik? Sa araw ng paghukom. Lahat ng tao, bago pa ng araw, yung oras, nasa Quran na sa'a, inna zalzalata sa'atu shay'un azim. Yung oras na yon, yung tapos na yung mundo, shay'un azim, malaking bagay. The zalzala. Yung tapusin na yung mundo sa zalzala, yung pinakamalaking earthquake, lindol. Shay'un azim, sabi ng Allah, shay'un azim, malaking bagay. So, nangyari na yun ito, si Prophet Muhammad SAW mentioned about Dajjal, Masih Dajjal. So yung Masih Dajjal will come to the earth, maybe born in a Jewish family, Zionist, and then he control the world. Could be through the money, because money is controlled by the Zionists. You can devalue your money, Philippines can devalue, Pakistan, Indonesia, Malaysia, everyone can devalue. It's controlled by the Zionists. So Dajjal can control the world with money. Because if you control the money, you control everything. You control the rice, you control the meat, you control the world, you control the oil. So Zionists are controlling the money, the banking system. So when they control the Zionists, the banking system, then the head of the Zionists will be Dajjal. And that is not the ordinary Dajjal. Sabi ni Prophet ﷺ, 30 Dajjalun. Salasuna Dajjalun. 30 kind of Dajjal. But this Dajjal will be Masih Dajjal. He will call himself Masih, the false Masih, faking Masih. And he will control the money of the earth. And that control was before in London, and now is controlling the New York. And later on, this system will be controlling the Jerusalem. So the Masih Dajjal will rule the world from Jerusalem. He will control the money. And he will make all your accounts zero. Later on, sa susunod, walang tayong paper, card. Mamaya walang card, electronic. Laptop money. Electronic money. And then one day you wake up, your account zero. Pakistan account zero. Malaysia account zero. Indonesia account zero. Saudi Arabia account zero. All zero. You cannot buy anything. You cannot buy food. Then Dajjal will control you. Do what I sell you. Gagawin mo ano yung utos ko, yan ang gusto ng Dajjal. Control the world. And then, Allah will send the true Masih, Isa al-Masih. He will come in the Sham, in the White Mosque. He will go, he will follow the Dajjal with Imam Mahdi, and he will kill Dajjal in the Lud. Prophet Muhammad SAW said, he will kill Dajjal in the Bab Lud, the gate of the Lud. And the Lud is the airport in Israel today. Airport. So Dajjal he want to run to maybe America, or maybe in another country, maybe in Europe, or maybe to any part of the world. Maybe you want to go to moon. So he will be killed at the Bab Lud, the gate of the Lud. And then the Isa al-Masih will establish the kingdom of Allah according to the law of the Quran. The Isa al-Masih will not come as a prophet, but he will come as a follower of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. He will establish the law of Allah in Jerusalem and to the Makkah, Medina and all world. And after that, the Isa al-Islam will have a marriage and children, then he die, and he will bury it beside Prophet Muhammad SAW in Medina. And after that, people will start to do idol worship. And only few believers left, and Allah will give them death through a wind. And then the worst kind of people will be left. And these people will be committing the adultery in the roads. Then Allah will destroy them with a lindol, earthquake. And that will be the end of the world. And then Allah will give the death to angel Jibreel, Mikael, Israfil, and Azrael. All the angels will dead. And then the Israfil is the one who make the sur, the blow the trumpet, and all the earth will be destroyed. Then after that, the Israfil will be died. Then after that, Allah will send the water from the sky, and this water will go in our soil, and then the body will resurrect it. Lahat ng katawan na may bago ng katawan dahil sa yung tubig galing sa langit. Lahat may katawan, lahat may bagong katawan, wala pang kaluluwa. And then Allah will give the life to the Israfil, the angel, and he will make the second trumpet, and all the souls will return to the body, the earth will be exploded, and all the body will come out. That will be the next life. The last life. First and the last. And then, the starting of the day of judgment. Araw na pogokom. Then you have a good deeds more, you go to paradise. If you have a more bad deeds, malaki yung kasalanan, papunta sa impyerno. Kung mataas yung, malaki yung mabigat yung mabuti gawa, papunta sa paraiso. And then there is no end for that. If you are a believer, you die as a believer, you have a hope to go out. Might be after millions of years. But if you die as a disbeliever, mushrik, committing shirk, Allah said, haram for you Jannah. Innahu may yushrik billahi, faqad haramallahu alayhi al-jannah, wa ma'wahu an-nar, wa ma lizalimin min ansar. Surely whoever commits shirk, then Allah will make haram for him Jannah. Wa ma'wahu an-nar, and his abode will be the hellfire. And there will be no helper for the zalimin, the wrongdoers. Sabi ng Allah, sino man katotohanan, sino man gawa ng shirk, tambal sa Allah, ginawa na ibang Diyos. Bawal sa kanya yung paraiso. At yung katirahan niya sa kabilang buhay, sa impyerno. At wala siya tulong sa mga zalimin, yung mga madayang tao.